What else missing? Fozia and Faria on this. Okay, so look at this. There is no number here.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Don't you think it will be helpful to have the number? Right? Correct. Not only this, there is so many places number is not included. Number is not here. You can write the user story for this. Sprint, you see, number is here. So when you create a task, what happens there? Ask you the number, that's good. Okay, so some places there is no number included. Number is here. I'm just showing you how you research. When you open them, you can see the number. Otherwise, you have to look at this. In the future, the same thing. No number. Yeah. So now you're researching and you are finding all the areas, and then you will actually write a user story. Then developer will say, hey, no, it will be longer time to complete. Then you can break it down. Make sense? Mm-hmm. So you have the idea now? Give me a second. So now you see how many user story you can write on this. No, yes. Not only this platform, you can write so many user stories, basically. But I gave you the TS for you, just so you can understand how to write the user story. But on this platform, you can write so many user stories. Good. Now it's all you. Look and actually identify how to write the user story. Look and identify. Because we can tell the developer, that will be like a developer will fix it. But if you write the user story on this platform, it's all will be fixed, and then you feel like accomplishment. Literally, right? Oh, this is the issues I see, and that's actually fixed. So I can tell you so many other bugs exist as well. So this one not the bug. So so you can write the user story for that other one as well. Make sense? For the let's see current situation.
Screenshot of proposed.
Oh yeah. That's right. You're right. So how you do that? No. Let me see. I should be able to click link. Click each of the item here. Yeah. Like here. So you did it pretty much. Currently. Makes sense? And you can actually add whatever is possible. You identify whatever is not possible, you just explain here. So you a developer will understand that. Maria, did you understand? Did you get my point?
Yes.
Okay, good. So that's actually you do the whenever existing functionality, that's how you write the user story. You need to identify what is current situation and you need to explain what you want to see. So that's the reason it's called the enhancement optimization. It's called the enhancement or optimization.
So on TS4 portal, we're doing the reverse engineer.
Yes.
But on that one, it's not reverse engineering.
It's actually the issue need to be fixed. Because doing the reverse engineering, because we already developed it, we just allow you to write that the feature and the user stories. Since you got the idea now you can write this. As many issues you find, as many user stories you can write, literally, we will be fixing them. We'll be reading each of these items. If you understand them, we'll actually fixing them all. And you guys will see those are fixed and you guys will get the update. So that's actually the real work. Huh? Exactly. What do you guys think?
Yeah, just like.
How do you guys do it faster? You guys write so many user stories as fast as possible. Because the developer, the moment you tell the developer, he already knows what you are talking. But your goal is just this user story need to be written, and then you inform him, he will develop it, test it, and you can verify boom, things are working. So you will see end-to-end journey. Then you will see the code is in the staging, code is in the production here, Agile ALM. Good. So this is the whole week, the work items really. As many as user story, quite everything else, then we'll be actually like what we'll be actually reviewing. And how to do this? I'm actually guiding you guys now. So simply let's create a feature here. Okay, create a feature, the Agile ALM enhancement. On the same board. On the same, yeah, that's fine. On the same thing, Agile ALM enhancement. Create a feature and then add all the user story from here. Yes, on that feature, just add all.
Also, where are you adding the screenshot?
So for now, in this documentation, I'm sending you guys this documentation, okay? You guys add your own documentation. And you can attach it. I mean, you can add it pretty much. Good. So that should be actually you guys can download it and link you write download students to it, and of course, to you. Good. So you can download as many as you guys get find out, and then you guys will be actually writing all the user story. And then actually assign to Panther each of this. No, just mention to Panther and myself each of this. And you guys should write at least as many user story as possible. Then we will change it. Then we will actually close the user story. We are not going to do anymore. We'll go to the new items. Yeah. Then you guys will know if we say there is so many issues, I will just tell them we need to change this, we need to change this. You'll be just writing all of your user story.
Yeah, so basically, you're gonna tell
Yeah.
as the business owner.
Yes.
Wait, so this document, we're gonna write more user stories on the issues and then attach the screenshots here in this document.
I do not understand what you just said. Can you repeat again?
So we have to write more user stories on actual issues.
That's
Right?
what I said. Yes.
Yes, and then attach the screenshots in this document that you just shared.
Yes, you can download all these documents. You write your own user story and then you attach yourself. Just attach your one user story, one feature or one user story. Attach them all. We will open and we'll look at all your user stories. Good.
Wait. We put our user stories here as well.
You did not. I said use these documents. Write all the user story as you need it, right?
Yes.
And just attach in one of the user stories this attachment, this file. Do you know why? Because we are not able to copy paste the screenshot.
Oh wait, yeah, attach it.
Right? So, but we don't need to make a reason why I'm not able to work. There is way to work. Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay, good. So this week, then done. Nothing. So you guys know how to write the new user story, and you guys know how to write the existing functionality user story enhancement, and you also know how to actually explain the screenshot, what is before, what is after. Good?
Wait, is it like we have to? One question.
Sure.
So how do you guys develop? How is it gonna be after the development? You're gonna have this only situation after the development.
Got it. Good idea. Okay. That's why I bring it here. So it's called a mockup. Okay. So he asked, I don't know, because I don't know what I want to see. That's what he said. Multiple it happens. One is you have a UI UX designer. UI UX designer, they actually give you the mockup.
Yeah, just like give a view version of
Yes,
the actual.
yes. View version of everything else in the business. That's the many company has. Say you don't have the anything like this.
Designer.
Yeah, you can actually edit here everything. If you want to add a box here, you can do add a box here. On this, if you want to add a box, you can add a box here.
Like, you know, edit the picture and
Yeah.
okay,
Yes, you can. You can do that. Okay, so let's see what we can do here. We can be able to view more options, the insert, suggest, edit. We want to edit. There should be an way to edit the picture. Let's do this. Image option, alpha text, comments. I wish